No, so what'll be really fun about this is you have a flat torque RPM curve with an electric motor, whereas with a diesel motor or any kind of internal combustion engine car, you've got a torque RPM curve that looks like a hill. So this will be a very spry truck. You could drive this around like a sports car. It's like single speed. I mean, it's quite bizarre test driving when I was driving the test prototype for this truck. It's really weird because you're driving around and you're so nimble, and you're in this giant truck. I drove it around the parking lot, and I was like, this is crazy.
This is not vaporware.
This is like
wow.
driving this giant truck and sort of making these mad maneuvers.
This is cool. Okay.